Hello and welcome back everyone. Welcome to all those who are new. Today I am doing the second video in my crystal series and I'm going to do labradorite nails. So I'm just starting off using just whatever tips you've got that you want to use, and I'm going to be putting on 2 coats of black polish. Now that they have 2 coats of black polish and I've cured them, I'm going to seal them with a top coat and I'll be back. Okay guys, so what I'm going to be using next for the labradorite look, or that sort of rainbow color, is this rainbow chrome that I have. Now I bought this a long time ago to actually recreate some of these nails, but I just haven't got around to it and I'm giving it a go now. So basically I'm just going to put a good coat of this chrome powder on all of the nails, and I just want to mention that I got that little tool, the silicone rubbing tool, off Temu recently, and it works really well for putting on the chrome, so pretty pleased with that. So I'll just go ahead and do this and I will come back when I'm finished. Now I'm just going to quickly seal them all with a top coat, and then I'll come back to explain what I'm doing next. Okay, here is how they look all sealed in with the top coat. You can see that beautiful reflective rainbow color in the light, which I think will look great for the labradorite. It's one of my favorite stones, and I'm going to use this stamping plate with those little, I don't know what you would call them, I'm going to call them veins because that's what I'm using them for in this particular video. So I've not had much experience with stamping plates, so I'm going to give it a go and see how it turns out. Just using my little stamper now, and this is the new one that I got from Temu, so I can see where I'm placing it. But with this design you can put it randomly. There is no real patterns in these stones and each nail will be different, so I'm just popping that on there, and I want mine to be fairly subtle. You can draw them on, as I said before, and make them a bit more prominent, but I want the colors to stand out more than the black. So next I'm going to just put some black liner around the edges, and then I'm going to blend it in with a brush. Now this is just a dry fan brush and I haven't put it in any polish. I'm just literally blending out those edges and going in sort of diagonal lines, not really straight across, just to give it a bit more of a blended, non-patterned vein look, so to speak. Now I'm just going to go on and do the exact same thing to all of the nails. I'm going to use, there's 5 of those different veiny designs on that plate, so I'm going to use a different one for each nail, but I'm going to use this exact same process. So I'll speed that up for you so that you don't have to watch it in real time, and I will come back to show you what it looks like. that's pretty much it, guys. I'm just going to top them off with a top coat, and then I will show you the finished design and try to catch some of the light. But these were a really easy design as well, and you know, I wanted to do an easy design for people because I want other people to be able to replicate it, and if I can do it, you can do it. So I'm not a professional nail artist or anything like that, so you know, that's why I called my channel Easy Nails. I just wanted for everyday people to be able to create beautiful nails at home. And I love crystals, and look at that shine. They have some beautiful rainbow reflective colors. What do you think? I would love to hear your thoughts. Would you wear this design yourself? I am really looking forward to doing these nails all again on my own nails, so let's call these practice for my own nails. But I really love this new hand of mine. It makes doing nails just content so easy, but it also inspires me for the next nail set that I want to put on myself. But when I put nails on, I want to leave them on for a while. I don't want to be taking them off every other day. So that's why I did get this hand. But have a look at these nails. I actually think they look great. And not tooting my own horn here, what do you think? Because it's my very first time doing it, so I was quite proud of myself. And I look forward to your thoughts. I'd love to have you come follow me over at Instagram at Easy Nails by Rachel Lee. And I'll see you in the next one.